What is a pronoun? Pronoun is a word that replaces and acts as a noun. Four types of pronoun exist in English grammar. Number one is subject pronoun. Like a subject, it is used before the verbs and it acts as the subject. Singular forms are I as first person, you second person, she, he, it third person, either object or animal or human child. Plural form, we first person, you second person, they third person. Number two is object pronoun. Just like the object, it is used after the verbs and acts as the objects. Singular form, me first person, you second person, him, her, it third person. Plural form, us first person, you second person, them third person. I know you. She loves him. I took them to the cinema last night. They took me for an idiot. Note that object pronouns can be used either after or before prepositions. I bought a book for her. She took me to the beach yesterday. Third is possessive pronouns. They express possession and they are also used and act as noun. For daily contents and listen, please subscribe to my channel. Singular form, mine, first person, yours, second person, hers, his, its, third person. Plural form, ours, first person, yours, second person, theirs, third person. They can be used as subject, after the verbs as objects, and after prepositions as complement. My phone is very old, but yours is very new as subject. This coat is not mine, it is yours as object. Your pants are different from mine as complement. Other than these pronouns, there are also possessive adjectives too, and they are interchangeable as well. Singular form, my, first person, your, second person, his, hers, its, third person. Plural form, our, first person, your, second person, their, third person. How to convert possessive pronouns to possessive adjectives and vice versa? Formula for possessive pronouns is quantity plus noun plus of and then possessive pronoun. Formula for possessive adjectives: quantity plus of plus possessive adjective and then noun. As adjective, some of my friends are billionaires. As pronoun, some friends of mine are billionaires. Fourth is reflective pronouns. They can be used before the verbs as subject, after the verbs as object, after the subject or object to emphasize, after the prepositions as complement. Singular form, myself, first person, yourself, second person, herself, himself, itself, third person. Plural form, ourselves, first person, yourselves, second person, themselves, third person. I see myself in the mirror as object. Jen sometimes talks to herself, complement. I myself solved the problem, emphasis. They saw the bear themselves, emphasis. If you use reflective pronouns after the preposition by, it means alone, lonely, or the expression of loneliness, solo. I moved the couch by myself, alone. Frank went to the beach by himself, solo. Janet was by herself, lonely. And that concludes today's lesson. Remember to take notes. I'll be waiting for your suggestions and requests in the comment section down below. Be sure to subscribe for daily contents. You can also watch my prior contents from here. I'm Steve and I'll be back with another video tomorrow. See you.